Hello, welcome to this YouTube live session. I'm doing it first time from the computer, YouTube studio. Previously, I used to do with OBS software. I found some difficulties with OBS, so I just explored this YouTube Studio desktop version. Okay, so actually, this session is about arranging discussions about emerging technologies through my YouTube channel. Okay, so actually, I'm uploading a lot of science and technology news videos through my YouTube channel. For more than 10 years, I have already uploaded more than 1,000 technology news videos. Most of the videos are about new inventions related to uh, mostly emerging technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, quantum computing, that kind of technologies. Apart from that technology videos, I used to upload some trending topic videos also. That is different. But mostly my focus is on giving news about emerging technologies. For that, I used to check the press release materials from various companies and universities and from news agencies also. Okay, and mostly I prepare the news video based on the press release materials. Okay, uh, uh, basically it is giving some kind of information about what is happening with new technologies, but it is not useful to analyze about uh, like what are the advantages of that invention and what are the uh, disadvantages or any side effects of that kind of inventions. Okay, I used to read those kind of things from a lot of social media discussions like Reddit and IMGR. There people used to discuss about those things. um, so I thought of including those content in my YouTube videos also. So I'm planning to do it step by step. As a first step, I would like to invite other people who are experts in that particular field to discuss about those things in my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm exploring various ways how to invite them and how to shortlist them. What are the problems I may face when allowing other people to talk through my YouTube channel? Okay, so that is one thing I'm planning. Okay, as I mentioned in my community post and the blog post, this year I am planning to fully focus on developing my YouTube channel. Okay, so the direction I'm moving is like making my YouTube channel to connect the scientists and business people. So initially, I plan to use the YouTube channel. Later, uh, I would like to create my own platform to connect the people, maybe through mobile app or websites or both of those things. Okay, so that scientists can find the potential business people who can take their inventions into the market, and similarly, business people can uh, uh, reach the inventions they were looking for marketing. Okay, so that is my long term plan. But for this year, uh, I'm planning to use only the YouTube channel as the primary platform, because right now, if I'm putting a lot of efforts to create new app or any web platform, means I may be finding difficulty to get the members to the platform. Okay, so as a first step, I would like to get more subscribers to my YouTube channel, and then I will move forward to the next step. Okay, yeah, as a first step, I would like to make this YouTube channel very useful to both scientists and entrepreneurs. Uh, as of now, as I said, I'm just giving news based on the press release materials. It may be giving some idea about what is happening in that technologies, but it won't give more details about it. Okay, so so obviously we can think it of it as a first step. But for getting more details, uh, it will be useful if I invite someone who is having wide knowledge on that subject matter. Okay, so I'm planning to invite scientists and experts in the emerging technologies. It can be blockchain, artificial intelligence, or robotics, quantum computing, um, nanotechnology, um, or any kind of new materials like graphene. Okay, and I would like to invite business people also. What are the business opportunities available for the new inventions? Okay, and uh, as I said, I'm not much familiar with arranging these kind of things, so I'm exploring one by one. Today, I'm exploring this YouTube Studio desktop version. I think it is allowing only one person to talk. Okay, so it cannot be used for interviews or discussions. Um, 1 minute, someone is saying that. Hello, can I know about neural dust? Sri is asking about it. Uh, uh, right now, I don't know about it. Okay, so I will be finding someone who is expert on that subject, and I can ask them to talk. That is the plan I'm preparing now. Okay, that's what I am explaining in this video. So basically, I would like to invite the people who are experts in any field. So uh, currently, I'm not expert in any particular field. Okay, I previously worked as a software tester and then developer, web developer. So my background is like that only. So if you can ask any questions related to software testing and web development, I will be able to answer for that. Okay. Um, Regarding emerging technologies, I'm just exploring all the possibilities, and I'm planning to connect the people. So, series next question is, can we hack someone's brain? So, obviously, if you go through the videos in my YouTube channel, you can find a lot of things. Already, scientists developed many things. Most of the things are invasive things. We have to open the skull and place the electrodes. But still, some inventions are going on to use non-invasive things also. So a lot of sensitive detectors are being developed to get the signals from our brain. So yes, we can read the mind of anyone just by placing some electrodes near them. But the signal quality may be less as of now, but scientists are working on to increase the sensitivity. Recently, I uploaded one video about high sensitive electrodes. Okay, so Ram Kumar is asking, I want to know about how to transfer from product support to business analyst. So uh, for that thing, I don't have any specific answer, but based on my IT experiences, previous experience, I worked long back. So if you are working well and um, if you are proving yourself as a sincere person, and if the company is having the same openings you are expecting, then definitely you can easily move to that thing. Okay, so whatever you are working currently, put your effort to do it well. That's what my first priority, I would say that. Okay, many people were like they won't focus on their current work, and they will be expecting to move on to some other position. Okay, uh, that may not work in the long term. Okay, So Ramkumar is again saying that he worked as a software engineer, but they are giving support work. So that's what I'm trying to say. So whatever work you are getting, just to focus on that work, and slowly you can move on to your desired thing. So you can find a lot of resources online, right? There were a lot of YouTube videos for learning, and there are a lot of open source projects out there. In your free time, you can work on that project. Okay, you can create your own applications also. So just you have to prove yourself, your skills. Then obviously you can easily move on to your desired thing. Okay. Another question is, can virus be transferred from phone to brains? No, that is what I already explained, right? So as of now, it is not possible immediately, but the researches were going on. If you are willing to put you as a subject of this kind of researches, definitely it can be done. Okay, but mm, currently, right now, there is no such thing available in the market. Okay. So, how to develop logical thinking in programming? Ramkumar is asking. So again, these kind of things will come from the experience. As I said, you can start working on some kind of projects. Just you can take any problem or any kind of questions, and you can try to find out the solutions. Okay, obviously you will be facing a lot of difficulties in implementing it. You need not directly go away implementing with the coding or other things. In the thought process itself, you can find some kind of difficulties, and you can take steps to solve those things, and obviously your logical thinking will be improved. Okay, so that is easiest way. I could refer, but there may be other ways also. I'm not aware of those things. Okay, so the main thing about this discussion is, as I said, I am planning to invite other people to join this channel for discussing about emerging technologies, mostly emerging technologies, but it can be any topic. Say, for example, uh, uh, Sri is asking many questions about uh, brain interface. So if he is interested in discussing about those things, he can just join. I will be ready to invite him. Or if he is hesitating to join in live discussion, if there are any time constraints, they can just send me the videos, whatever they are knowing about in their subject. So I can just upload it, and they can include their link, maybe Twitter link or whatever they want to. If they are having website, they can include the website. Sri is asking again, asking about brain interface. So I already explained, right? My background is software testing and development, and doing business related to this stuff. Okay, I never worked on any kind of brain interface. Okay, but I uploaded a lot of news videos regarding those things. Maybe he might have viewed those videos and asking that questions. Okay. Okay. Thanks for all your questions. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can ask me again. So this discussion is mainly about explaining my plans about inviting other people to discuss through this channel. Okay, so if anyone know any ideas how to connect many guests through the YouTube live, just you can share your suggestions to me. Okay, and um, obviously I'm exploring many options, like maybe I can connect through Skype call, and through OBS I can broadcast through the YouTube live. That is one option. uh, but I don't know whether it will allow the guest to see the uh, questions asked by the viewers. So for starting out that thing, maybe so my plan is, um, I'm planning to invite the people in experts in emerging technologies. Let me first explain why I'm planning to do is. One thing is, this is my personal benefit. Personally, it will be helping me to put more content to my YouTube channel, and then I can earn more. That is my uh, uh, primary focus. Okay, that is not a primary focus. That is a benefit for me, that point. Okay, but the main thing is, it will be allowing the scientists and the entrepreneurs to uh, like understand or explore the options of connecting more than one field. It is very very important in the process of coming up technologies. It can be any technology. The connecting to various fields is very very important. Some people will be working on some particular field. Okay, some kind of set of people will be working on another set of field. Okay, but if there are any connection between those two fields, then only more benefit to the people. Let me explain with some example. Okay, say for example, um, uh, let me go back to the 1990s. Okay, that time, uh, many people were working on artificial intelligence, neural network that time. Okay, a lot of mathematical algorithms were developed, but we were not seeing any product in the market. Okay, there were no other no um, like usable product at that time, because the computer resources were not enough at that time. Okay, to run that algorithm, we were not having enough computing power to run those algorithms. Okay, so obviously we were not seeing any progress that time. Okay, the use of AI, otherwise the benefits of AI is realized only when the computing power is improved. Okay, that is one example. And another thing is the power of video. I already mentioned it in my blog post. Let me explain it again. Okay, so um these days we were seeing the uh, like uh, uh, power of video everywhere. Everywhere video is there. This live is video, and a lot of millions of people were watching YouTube videos, and everyone is having a mobile phone with ability to take videos. Okay, so obviously, we can say that this time of period is boom for videos. Okay, so this is a step-by-step process. So long back, whatever content, material, or knowledge is available in the form of paper. So people used to buy books to improve their knowledge, and people used to write books to share their knowledge. Okay, so books were the medium that time of period. Okay, then the uh, content from the books were transferred to the CDs. Okay, so digital media. So again, people used to buy the CDs to read the content. Then uh, there were websites to share the content. Okay, um, and websites and blogs, that kind of stuff. Okay. Then mobile apps came. Okay. Now all the contents were shared through the video. So video is the uh, appropriate medium this time. Okay. um, the reason for the emerging of video is it is having the meeting of all things. So it needs high speed internet. So this time period internet is there. Okay. It needs video camera in the hands of everyone. So mobile phones are providing that option. Okay. And similarly for viewing option, everyone should be having the screens to watch the video. So mobile phones are giving that option. So basically the connection of mobile phones and the internet is uh, together they developed the video medium. So video medium will not be surviving if there are no internet connection or mobile phones. So that is the thing. So there may be a lot of improvements in the mobile phone development section, and similarly there were a lot of developments in the internet development. So only when there is a connection between those fields, we can get the new field like video medium. Okay. So similarly, currently there were a lot of emerging technologies were going on: blockchain, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing. Okay. So in that particular field, experts were there, are there. Okay. But we will be developing new kind of field only when, or new kind of applications, usable application only when we connect the people from various fields. That is one thing. Another thing is the scientific inventions or researchers uh, becoming product is taking more time. There are a lot of delay between development and marketing. Okay. So obviously business people uh, need to understand about what is happening in the scientific world. Okay. So I plan to allow people from various fields to discuss about what is happening in their field. Okay. That is one thing. And again I am planning to connect the scientists and the interested business people through the discussions. Okay. So mostly daily, I'm planning to arrange discussions through various people. So anyone interested, just contact me through email, or you can just connect through the uh, Twitter Spaces also. I'm planning to arrange a lot of Twitter Spaces. Okay, so I'm, as I said, I'm not good in talking in about any topic. Okay, but my primary focus is connecting the people who are experts in any kind of technologies, mostly emerging technologies. Okay, so this is primary objective. Other than that, I'm planning to run it continuously, mostly 24 by 7, that kind of stuff. That is what my plan. So if I'm not getting enough guests for talking, I would like to broadcast the experience of anyone. Okay. So if whatever work you are doing, just if you are interested, you can just share about your knowledge and your questions, whatever thing, as a video. I will uh, upload it in my channel if it is relevant. Okay. So this is what my plan. So whenever you are sending any videos, just make sure that it is not violating any copyright. So just record the video with your face only. Okay. Don't add any kind of slides or anything. So if you are preparing the slides or any kind of images by yourself, that is okay. But don't take it from internet. Okay. So it will create copyright problems. So if there are any issues, definitely I will be uploading the videos. So any, it can be any kind of stuff. Just you can share your life experience related to your career, or whatever work you are doing, whatever you know, whatever talents you are having, whatever knowledge you are willing to share, you can just share it through this video channel. Okay, so just to upload the file as a mp4 file and send it to me. I will upload it. If there are uh, any other stuff, I will contact through the email. You can note down my email ID, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com, for sending the videos. So, obviously, or in summary, uh, I would like to connect the people from various technological fields. One thing. Another thing is, I would like to connect the people mm, uh, from both science and the business areas. Okay, and as of now, as a first step, I would like to use the YouTube live as the medium of communication for doing this. But in the future, I would like to create some uh, web platform or mobile apps for connecting the scientists. Maybe if they open the website, scientists can explore the interested business people who may be willing to market their inventions. Okay, and similarly, business people can search products, and they can exchange their messages and their ideas. So it can include some forums. So I'm just exploring various things, but I'm planning to do it later. As a first step, I would like to use the YouTube live as the medium for connecting the people. Okay. So I think many people are interested to ask many questions, like Ram Kumar and Sri were asking questions about brain interface and their career. Okay, so as I said, I'm not a appropriate person to answer those questions. Okay, so whenever I arrange the relevant people to participate in these discussions, then you can ask the questions again to them. Okay, so for that, just subscribe to this channel with the bell icon so that you can receive the notification. Okay, but as I said, I'm still exploring the appropriate way for implementing the interviews or discussions. Okay, so if anyone is expert in that thing, just guide me so that I can do it properly from the beginning. Otherwise, I will be doing it step by step. Okay. And there are any audio quality problems, other things, just let me know. So that's what uh, for this video. Okay, let us join with the new guests in the next video. Okay, if you are interested to be the guest for this channel, just contact me through my email ID. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Let us see how it's going. Bye.